Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of some Modelones Blooming Ink Gel Polish. So I purchased these gel inks on Amazon because a lot of you guys were requesting that I do a design with some gel inks, and I'm doing it using dip powders, although it's supposed to be used over gel polish. So let's get right into the video. So I'll be using Revel nail dip powders today. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Then I placed some activator on my ring and middle finger and wait for it to dry. Now starting on the pinky nail, I applied the base to the whole nail and then I poured the white dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers of that. On the ring finger, I'm doing a full clear nail using Revel Vivian dip powder. So I did about 2 or 3 layers of that as well. And then I applied some activator to the clear nail. Now on the middle finger, I placed some tape on the nail and then I applied base and poured the bombshell dip powder on the nail bed area. I did 3 layers of that. This needs to be done fast because remember the base is getting on the tape as well. So if it dries, it will dry the tape and then the tape cannot be removed. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So now I remove the tape. Moving on to the index finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I poured the white dip powder on the nail. Then I applied base again and I'm doing an ombre with the white and the light blue dip powder on the nail. I did about 2 or 3 layers of the ombre. By the way, this design is inspired by a design I saw on Instagram. I'll leave a picture right here. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Revel nail clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. Also, I do not like encapsulating the bombshell with clear because it showed some small bubbles on the nails. This is another color that I do not like encapsulating with clear. I also do not like encapsulating black with clear and also red dip powders with clear as well, because it shows mini bubbles in the nail. I don't like seeing that. So that's just something to keep in mind. I'm sure there are other colors that this happens to, but for now these are the colors that I do not like encapsulating with clear, but I have to. Then I applied activator to the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I'll link it in the cards or in the description below. Now I apply matte Modelones gel top coat and place rhinestones all over the nails and cured for 30 seconds. And also, I'm sorry about the darkness of the video. This camera is moody sometimes, so I'm really sorry about that. The top coat wasn't strong enough to hold the rhinestones on the cuticle area. Some of them came off right after, so I would suggest using gel or gel glue, but you cannot use gel glue with matte top coat because it doesn't get totally matte when it's cured. And I don't know if it has a matte gel glue as well. I'll have to look into that. Now I place some acetone in a glass. So as you all know, inks are supposed to be used over gel polish, preferably white gel polish. However, I'm not doing that. In order for the ink to disperse and create a marble, you have to apply it over matte top coat. If you apply it over shiny top coat, it wouldn't disperse as nice as it would over matte top coat. So keep that in mind. So now I apply the ink to the nails and then use the acetone to disperse the ink to create the marble. Then I wait for it to dry. So I'm just showing you a design I did over white gel polish just to show how similar they are. If this was done over shiny gel top coat, it would be a mess. I tried it before and it wasn't as nice as it was over the matte top coat, but you guys need to try it out for yourselves and see the difference. Then I applied shiny top coat to the middle and ring finger and cured for 30 seconds. I'm sorry for how this clip looks. It's not the lighting, it's just something is wrong with the camera. I really don't know, so I'm sorry about that because the lights were on, everything was fine. It's just the camera was playing mad. When the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So do you guys see how the camera quality came back to normal now? I'm telling you, this camera is moody. Oh my goodness. So anyway, I hope you guys like this design. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for watching. If you all reached this far with horrible video quality, thank you for watching. So bye. If you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.